Have you noticed something lately? There's a new energy in the air, a buzz that's hard to ignore. People everywhere are talking, sharing, and celebrating something truly special. It's as if the world has suddenly discovered a hidden gem, and now everyone wants to be a part of it. The Philippines is suddenly the talk of the town, and it's not just about our beaches. Sure, our white sands and crystal clear waters are legendary, but there's so much more that's capturing the world's imagination. People are discovering the magic of our culture. From the vibrant festivals that light up our streets to the heartfelt traditions passed down through generations, there's a sense of wonder that draws people in. From our food, bursting with flavors and stories, to our music that gets everyone moving, and especially our people, who welcome strangers like old friends, there's a warmth and energy capturing hearts everywhere. It's a feeling you can't quite describe until you experience it yourself. The laughter, the smiles, the sense of belonging. The world is falling in love, and we are here for it, with open arms and a plate of adobo ready to share. Hospitality isn't just a tradition here. It's a way of life, and every visitor is treated like family. This isn't just a passing trend. It's about connection. People are searching for something genuine, and they're finding it in the Filipino spirit, where kindness, generosity, and joy are at the heart of everything we do. People are finding something real in the Filipino way of life. It's about community, about coming together to celebrate the big moments and support each other through the small ones. They see our strong family bonds, the way we care for one another, and how every gathering feels like a celebration of love and togetherness. They taste the love in our cooking, where every dish is made with heart, and every meal is a chance to share stories and laughter. And they feel the joy in our laughter, the kind that fills a room and makes everyone feel at home, no matter where they're from. So, get comfortable, maybe grab a snack, and let's dive into the wonderful world of Filipino culture together. There's so much to explore, and we can't wait to share it all with you. Welcome to the world's newest crush. Welcome to the Philippines. Let's start with the kitchen. In the Philippines, the kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of every home. Here, families gather not just to prepare meals, but to share stories, laughter, and traditions passed down through generations. The act of cooking together is a cherished ritual where everyone, from grandparents to little kids, has a role to play. Whether it's chopping vegetables, marinating meat, or simply tasting the broth, every moment in the kitchen is a celebration of togetherness. In the Philippines, food is our love language. Sharing a meal is how we show care, gratitude, and affection. It's common to see families and friends gathered around a table, enjoying not just the food, but each other's company. Meals are lively, filled with conversation and laughter, and no one ever leaves the table hungry or alone. Every celebration revolves around a feast. Birthdays, holidays, and even small victories are marked by tables overflowing with delicious dishes. Food brings everyone together, turning ordinary days into special occasions. The more, the merrier. There's always room for one more at the table. When you visit a Filipino home, the first question is, "Kumain ka na?" Have you eaten? It's more than a greeting. It's an invitation to be part of the family, to sit down and share in the warmth of Filipino hospitality. No matter the time of day, you'll always be offered something to eat, because feeding guests is a way of showing love and respect. Our kitchens are filled with the amazing smells of garlic, soy sauce, and vinegar simmering away. These aromas are the signature of Filipino cooking, filling the air with anticipation and making mouths water. The sizzle of onions in hot oil, the tang of vinegar, and the deep, savory notes of soy sauce create a symphony of flavors that is uniquely Filipino. First up, adobo, a mix of chicken or pork braised in soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and peppercorns. This dish is a staple in every Filipino household, loved for its rich, savory taste and tender meat. Each family has their own twist. Some add potatoes, others a hint of sweetness, but every version is delicious. Adobo is comfort food at its finest, perfect with a steaming bowl of rice. Then there's Sinigang, a sour and savory soup that's like a warm hug on a rainy day. Made with tamarind, fresh vegetables, and your choice of meat or seafood, Sinigang is both refreshing and hearty. Its tangy broth wakes up your taste buds and brings a sense of home with every spoonful. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to gather around the table and savor every bite. And Lechon, the crispy-skinned roasted pig that is the centerpiece of every grand celebration. Lechon is more than just food. It's a symbol of abundance and joy. The crackling skin, juicy meat, and festive presentation make it a showstopper at any gathering. Watching the Lechon being carved is a moment everyone looks forward to. Our street food is an adventure, vibrant, exciting, and full of surprises. The bustling night markets come alive with the sights, sounds, and smells of sizzling snacks. It's a place where you can taste the creativity and resourcefulness of Filipino cooks, all in one lively setting. Fish balls, kwek kwek, and isaw are just a few favorites. Each bite is a burst of flavor, whether it's the chewy fish balls dipped in sweet sauce, the bright orange kwek kwek, quail eggs in crispy batter, or the smoky grilled isaw, chicken intestines. These treats are not just snacks. They're a way to connect with friends and strangers alike. It's a delicious experience that brings everyone together. Eating street food is about more than just satisfying hunger. It's about sharing stories, making memories, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. Whether you're with family or friends, every bite is better when shared. The secret to why everyone loves our food is simple. It's made with heart, a blend of sweet, sour, and salty flavors. Filipino cuisine is a reflection of our culture, warm, welcoming, and full of life. Every dish tells a story, and every meal is an invitation to experience the joy of togetherness, one delicious bite at a time. Every dish we cook has a story. Adobo isn't just a recipe, it's a taste of home, a connection to our roots. When a Filipino abroad cooks adobo, they summon the warmth of their family kitchen. It's a powerful link to our identity, a taste of who we are. Making these dishes is often a group effort, a dance of cooperation and love. The food tastes better because it's seasoned with teamwork and happy conversations. When you eat Filipino food, you're partaking in a tradition, tasting history, family, and celebration. The love for our food is growing globally because people are tasting that authenticity. If our kitchen is the heart of the home, then the laughter, stories, and shared moments that happen there are its heartbeat. In the Philippines, the kitchen is more than just a place to prepare meals. It's where memories are made, where children learn family recipes from their elders, and where everyone gathers to share the events of their day. And if the kitchen is the heart, then our family is truly its soul, infusing every corner of the home with warmth, love, and a sense of belonging that is uniquely Filipino. In the Philippines, family is everything. It's the foundation upon which our lives are built, the support system that lifts us up in times of need, and the source of our greatest joys. Our definition of family is wide, including grandparents who pass down wisdom and traditions, aunts, uncles, cousins who feel more like siblings, and even distant relatives who are always welcome at the table. And in many cases, even close family friends are embraced as part of the clan, blurring the lines between blood and chosen family. This strong family bond is the foundation of our society. Family gatherings are loud, filled with stories, jokes, and the sound of children playing. They're chaotic, bursting with energy, and always full of life. Every celebration is an opportunity to reconnect, to celebrate milestones, and to simply enjoy each other's company. There's always an abundance of food, lovingly prepared and generously shared, because in Filipino culture, food is a language of love. Karaoke, singing, and laughter are never far behind. Music and joy are woven into the fabric of every gathering. The world is falling in love with this aspect of our culture, drawn to the warmth, hospitality, and genuine connections that define Filipino gatherings. It's because it represents a deep human need for connection, for belonging, and for being part of something bigger than ourselves. The Filipino family model offers a beautiful alternative to individualism, reminding us that we are stronger together and that life's burdens are lighter when shared. It shows a way of life where community and togetherness are prioritized, where helping one another is second nature, and where no one is ever truly alone. It's a reminder that happiness isn't just about personal achievement. It's about celebrating each other's successes, supporting each other through challenges, and finding joy in the simple act of being together. In the end, the Filipino secret to happiness is simple. It's about sharing your life with the people you love, cherishing every moment, and building a community where everyone feels at home. Beyond the immediate family, there's a wider sense of community in our culture called it's the spirit of helping one another without expecting anything in return. When a typhoon hits, communities come together to help those affected, sharing food and offering shelter. This spirit extends to Filipinos living abroad, creating a powerful network of support. The world is fascinated by this concept because it's a beautiful demonstration of human kindness and solidarity. In a world that can often feel competitive, is a refreshing reminder of the power of community. It's a cultural trait that builds a better, kinder world for everyone. If there's one thing the world knows about Filipinos, it's that we are always smiling. We are known for our resilience, optimism, and ability to find joy even in challenging situations. Our sense of humor helps us cope with stress and hardship, finding light in the darkness. This joyful spirit is also expressed through our love for music and dance. The world is falling for this joyful spirit because it's authentic and uplifting. It's a reminder that happiness is a choice, and we can find reasons to be grateful and joyful every day. If you ever visit the Philippines, you will experience our legendary hospitality. We treat our guests like family, offering the best seat, a drink, and a meal. This hospitality comes from a genuine place of warmth and generosity. We believe that having a guest is a blessing, and it is our honor to take care of them. This welcoming nature isn't just for guests in our homes. You'll feel it everywhere. The world is embracing this incredible hospitality because it feels so genuine and heartwarming. It's an open invitation to experience our culture not as a tourist, but as a cherished guest. The love for Filipino culture is spreading because Filipinos are sharing it worldwide. We are nurses, engineers, artists, chefs, and caregivers, bringing a piece of the Philippines with us. You can see this global Pinoy wave in the growing number of Filipino restaurants in major cities. Our culture is also making waves in entertainment, with singers, actors, and creators showcasing Filipino talent. This global presence has a ripple effect, allowing people to appreciate our culture on a personal level. We are not just a country on a map anymore. We are friends, colleagues, and neighbors. We are sharing our culture one smile, one meal, and one act of kindness at a time. So, there you have it. The world is falling for Filipino culture, and it's easy to see why. It's the irresistible allure of our food, the strength of our family bonds, and the infectious joy of our spirit. Filipino culture offers a powerful antidote to disconnection, emphasizing human connection. It's a culture that doesn't just welcome you, it embraces you. Our culture has open arms, and we love sharing it with anyone curious enough to explore it. The global craze for Filipino culture is a celebration of love, joy, and togetherness. Come and experience it for yourself. We promise you, there's always room for one more at our table. Let's go. Join the party.